Have you ever wanted to bake soft, fluffy, high-protein vegan breads without eggs? Today I'm showing you my ultimate guide to baking silken tofu breads. The secret to bakery-style bagels, garlic knots, cinnamon rolls, and more, all using one master dough. Plus, I'll show you how to get all of the recipes in my Silken Tofu Bread ebook so you can start baking at home today. Silken tofu may seem like an unusual ingredient for bread, but it's incredible. It adds moisture, plant-based protein, and structure, which makes your bread soft, tender, and slightly chewy, all without eggs. Unlike flax or applesauce, silken tofu helps breads rise beautifully and keeps them fluffy every time. The heart of all these recipes is my master silken tofu dough. Once you have this dough mastered, you can make bagels, garlic knots, cinnamon rolls, dinner rolls, bread twists, and so many more recipes. Silken tofu works because it adds moisture, keeping bread soft. It adds protein, helping structure, creates a tender crumb, and improves dough elasticity. This dough is versatile, and one batch can give you multiple breads for the week. I like to make this master silken tofu dough in my bread machine because this bread machine does all of the mixing, rising, kneading, and everything all in a timer for me. So I don't even really have to touch the dough until it's finally ready to be used in any of my recipes. If you know me and my channel, I love using my Panasonic bread machine for all of my baking, but I also recently purchased the cheapest bread machine on Amazon called the Elite Gourmet Bread Maker, and this is also a really great option if you don't have a bread machine but are interested in buying one at a really low cost. And I'll share a link in the description to my video reviews of both of those bread makers, as well as links to purchase them on Amazon. Now, if you don't have a bread maker and you don't want to buy one, don't worry because I actually include how to make this dough by hand in my ebook. Now, another tool that I highly recommend for especially bread baking is to use a digital scale to weigh all of your larger ingredient measurements. Not all all-purpose flours are the same and they don't all measure the same weight in volume. So having a digital scale to measure the weight of your flour, your silken tofu, and your water can ensure that you're using the same measurements every single time that you make this dough, which actually can really affect the outcome of your dough. I'll also share a link in the description to my recommended tools for baking silken tofu bread. Now, once you've made the master silken tofu dough, shaping is where the fun begins. For the dough that I'm showing you right now on the screen, I divided this into two and I made two completely different recipes using just this one dough. So on this day, I prepared the bagels recipe and the cinnamon rolls recipe. I also considered making some soft pretzels, but I ran out of time. Making these recipes in my Silken Tofu Breads ebook is so easy, and it's basically just a difference of shaping. Some of the recipes require a little bit of prep and baking beforehand, so definitely check out the ebook in the description below, as well as my link in bio, because there are so many fun ways to use this one dough, and honestly, only having to remember one dough recipe makes my life so much easier. So I cut this dough in half using a dough cutter. This is really a handy tool as well. It's different than a knife because it's not actually sharp, but it's perfect for cutting through dough like you just saw me doing. Now, I also use a really small rolling pin like you see here, and I'll show a link in the description below to this one. I purchased it on Amazon, and I'm just in love with using a little rolling pin because it means that I can actually roll out dough in a very small space, which makes it really, really easy instead of using a really large and long rolling pin. Now, right now I'm showing you how I made the cinnamon rolls. Basically, all I did was I rolled half of that dough into a rectangle. I spread a mixture of butter, cinnamon, and sugar, and put that inside of it, and then I rolled it up tightly into a log, and then I just sliced it into individual cinnamon rolls. You really want to make sure to prepare your dough ahead of time with enough time to allow it to rise or proof so that it can get nice and fluffy before you put it in the oven. So I let those cinnamon rolls proof for about 30 minutes. And while those were proofing, I went ahead and shaped some bagels. So bagels are so easy. I had never really made these before, but they're just so simple. I just rolled the dough into balls. Then I used my thumb and fingers to poke a hole in the center, just like you would see in a bagel. And that's it. Then this is interesting because with this dough, you actually boil the dough for about 45 seconds per side of the bagel. And that's actually giving the bagels nice moisture and it kind of toughens them up. So it makes them a little bit chewy. Then I top them with some everything bagel seasoning after I've boiled them. And then I place them into an oven and then bake them for about 20 minutes. And that was it. These bagels are just so simple, especially since I had my master silken tofu dough already prepared. Now, another really cool thing about the Master Silken Tofu dough is you can make a large batch ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator and then just section it into whatever you want to make that day. So you can even go ahead and make like one or two bagels if you prefer, one day at a time instead of having to do a whole batch. But it's just such a versatile dough. And silken tofu dough is such a blank canvas. So, like I said earlier, you can make like 18 different recipes from my ebook. And other recipes that I share videos of in my channel are of garlic bread twists. Basically, you brush some dough with some parsley, garlic butter, and vegan parmesan, or your favorite toppings. Then you bake them into garlic bread or garlic twists. You could do everything bagel seasoning or sesame seeds or poppy seeds, whatever you like to put on bagels. And for cinnamon rolls, you can do a powdered sugar glaze for sweetness, or you can even go ahead and add in some chocolate chips or some raisins or walnuts. There's just so many endless ways that you can use this dough to make a variety of baked goods for yourself and your family. Now, I want to share with you why silken tofu dough beats other egg substitutes. So, some bakers rely on flax eggs, chia seeds, or applesauce to replace eggs in recipes, but these often make breads that are dense or dry and have a weird flax flavor. So, silken tofu keeps breads soft, fluffy, and protein rich while still holding their shape beautifully. It's perfect if you want bakery style vegan breads at home, high protein plant-based options, and dough that's reliable and versatile. So if you want a deeper dive into using tofu in breads and learning the master silken tofu dough technique, check out my ultimate guide to baking with silken tofu on my website where I share. And if you're like me and you want all of your bread recipes in one printable place, my Silken Tofu Bread ebook has step-by-step recipes for bagels, garlic knots, cinnamon rolls, bread twists, dinner rolls, and so much more. It also includes tips for soft, tender, high-protein breads and ideas for flavor variations, as well as troubleshooting guides for baking with this dough. And that's the ultimate guide to silken tofu breads, from master dough to soft, chewy bagels, pull-apart garlic knots, and sweet cinnamon rolls. So be sure to grab your copy of the Silken Tofu Bread ebook in the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it very helpful for more bread baking tips. And I hope that you learned something fun today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!